In this short video, we're going to cover how to set up the wrap station for a different diameter bottle. And it's pretty simple. What we do is loosen these knobs, we pull this back, we put two bottles in here. Now you'll notice that this is this flat portion of the wrap belt. This is called a wrap belt. And so what we will do is just put that two bottles there, and then we slide the back pad in until we're making contact with the bottle. We hold that and then we tighten. Notice that I push the back pad in from the center. That should keep me with some even pressure. And then we look at this and then we just kind of test. Now this should be snug but not tight. It's not the amount of pressure from the back pad and belt on the bottle that puts the label on. It's actually the adhesive of the label. Is we'll pull this rail back so you see it's no longer in line with the rubber. It's actually offset. So when the bottle hits the pad, see how it bumped and stopped? And the result is wrinkling in the first part of the label. You can see it's just automatic almost. And what will happen if this is set up this way, you'll have a few bottles where the label goes on well, and you'll have others with this wrinkle. Make sure you're absolutely spot on. What you want to do is basically you can use a straight edge or you can just visually eyeball. So if I bring this rail out and then I tighten it, now I'm going to have a real smooth transfer and I don't have any chance for the bottle to bump there. What I like to do sometimes is go into the screen and turn the label off so that I can just run bottles and see the transfer. See there, it's still bumped. So we've got a little adjustment left to do. So we move that rail, send it back through again. That's too tight. Okay, now, so what we want to do is have a nice smooth transfer of the bottle past where the label goes on. And that looks pretty smooth like there. Now, we have that, we can turn the label on, and then we'll run a bottle and put a label on. In this case, we should have no wrinkles there at the start of the label.